Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed, one of my all-time favorite cars, 3-valve Mustang cars, that is. 281 supercharged Saleen. It's a 2006. We're going to go down. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment. We just installed a set of Detroit rocker camshafts, a set of pipes, shorty headers, but it's got this super shaker. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Saleen superchargers. I'll tell you what, I've got a 19 GT convertible, and I would probably get rid of that to roll in this ride right here. I mean, I know it's an 06, but this car, in my opinion, is one of the coolest 3-valve Mustangs you can buy. You know, you can buy the Saleen, you can buy the Roush, you can modify them yourself. This car right here is really awesome. We're gonna watch a dyno pull, so stick around, we're gonna see what it makes. But Doug, let's go check out the super shaker. All right, the nostalgia on this car is awesome. Like I said, it's a super shaker. Before we go, watch a dyno pull. I wanna take a look at this, talk a little bit about it. I do want to show you the interior. One of the reasons I love these cars so much. But Doug, come down here, take a look. This is the super shaker. They didn't make a lot of these upgrades, all right? So you normally see the Saleen supercharger with over here, see this empty spot, big air induction system, but they did the super shaker through the hood for a limited time, and I think it's awesome. So it's got its ups and downs. One of the reasons I like the super shaker so much is, boy, you can hear this blower whine. Everyone likes old M90s, GT500s, 03 Cobras, you know, Lightnings. This super shaker setup sounds like that right there. But they're discontinued. So these superchargers, for those of you out there, they're like, hey, I really like this. Probably 10 years now, they haven't been available, but it's the super shaker setup. We installed Detroit rocker camshafts, it has a set of shorty headers. We have a 3/4 pulley on it, Kenny belt booster pump. So if you have a Saleen Mustang and you're looking for more power, I will put a link in the description that you can click on and read about upgrades. Our most popular is what we call our stage 3. So you probably have like a normal Saleen supercharger, but you get a JLT air intake, and like I said, the JLT fuel pump, you get spark plugs, calibration, everything you need to crank out over 500 flywheel horsepower, 450 or higher rear wheel horsepower. But it's a super shaker right there. I'm pumped. Doug, come over here, take a look. I want to show you the interior. This is one of the reasons I love these cars so much. I mean, these seats right here, I think the headrest or something always gets me. I really like it. I love the interior. And Steve Saleen took the time to put on these cars back in the day. I think the wing's cool, but this car right here, I absolutely love. So it's an 06 Saleen, drop top with the super shaker. Check out this dyno pull. All right, Doug, we're gonna check out these numbers. DynoJet SAE, manual, 93 octane, 463 rear wheel horsepower, 6,400 RPM, torque 425 at 4,900 RPM. I think that is awesome through a super shaker. So hey, earlier when I said you have their ups and downs, the ups, they sound awesome. The ups, it's coming through the hood. You can't really buy a supercharger like that anymore. The downs, they're restrictive. So they have a rain guard in there. So when that air comes through the front vent, it has to go around an air guard, through a pre-filter, through the next filter, into the throttle body. So, you know, on a car like that, that's like 7-8 PSI, no big deal. But you wanting to run like 15 pounds on a built engine, it's not a very good setup. You need to cut a bunch of those rain guards and stuff out to get the airflow you need, but that's not really good when it's raining outside. So that's pretty much it. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment if you have questions. And then you can email quote@brenspeed.com to say what's it cost to get installed. Remember, these superchargers, they've been discontinued for 10 years. We have upgrades. I will put links in the description. And you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say what's that cost to get installed. Have a good day.